Okay, let us start about um, area of and perimeter of different polygons like square, rectangular, parallelogram. Before going to that, we can start the study some various units of measurement. We know that very simple, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This thing you know. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. You have to remember these things. And 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. And 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 acre is equal to 100 square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 100 acre. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You have to remember these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Once if you remember, other things are very very easy. For example, if I say, you can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to, you can say 100 centimeter by 1 and 2. Okay. Therefore, I can say it implies that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, if you take 1 meter square, okay, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter. This is one thing, okay. 1 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. That is equal to 10 raised to 4 centimeter square. This is one thing. Okay, another thing is, if you say, I can same thing, 1 meter square is equal to, I can say in 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter into 10 decimeter. What happens? This one. This becomes 100 decimeter square. Okay. Similarly, if I take 1 decimeter square, 1 decimeter square is equal to 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter, which is equal to 1 decimeter means what? 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay. Then if you coming to the 1 decameter, 1 decameter is equal to 1 decameter square is equal to 1 decameter into 1 decameter. 1 decameter means what? 10 meter into 10 meter, which is equal to 100 meter square. Okay. Next, 1 hectometer. Okay. 1 hectometer square is equal to, this becomes 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer, which is equal to what? 1 hectometer means 100 meter into 100 meter, which is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay. If you come into 1 hectare, 1 hectare can be written as, 1 hectare is equal to 100 acre. 100 acre, okay. This can be written as 100 into 1 acre, okay, which is equal to 1 acre means 100 meter square. 100 into 100 meter square, this becomes 10,000 meter square, okay. The next one is 1 kilometer square. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer, okay. 1 kilometer means what? 1000 meter into 1000 meter, okay. This is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter square, okay. 10 this can be done as 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 4 meter square. Why I am writing like this? Because a 10 raised to 4 is 1 hectare, isn't it? Therefore I can say 100 into this one is 1 hectare, okay. This is equal to 100 acre. Sorry, 100 hectare. 100 hectare. This is all about the connection. Okay, next is coming to the one is perimeter and area of rectangle. It's very simple. Perimeter, if you take rectangular ABCD, this is length is L and breadth is B. Yes, 2 times of L plus B gives what? Because opposite sides are equal, therefore 2 times of L and B gives perimeter. The area will going to give L into B, because see here, see this side and this sides are equal, this side and this sides are equal. This angle is 90 degree. This side SAS rule, by side angle side, the ADC, whatever the triangle ADC is congruent to I can say ABC, okay. Therefore the area of rectangle is equal to 2 times of ABC. I can write triangle area of 2 times of area of triangle ABC. Can I write like this? And 2 times of this ABC is nothing but the base, half, okay. Half into base means what? Base means L. Height means again it is B only here. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Ultimately the area of rectangle is L into B, okay. Once if I found the area is L into B, the breadth is area divided by length. Then diagonal can be written as, you can say this is the triangle ABC. Angle D is 90 degree. According to the Pythagoras theorem, I can say AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Therefore I can say AC is equal to square root of L square and B square. These are the things, okay. This is diagonal. The next one is, if you coming to the square also very simple. Again each side is A. If you take length A, the perimeter definitely becomes 4A, A plus A plus A plus 3, 4A. The side is area is again uh, is angle is 90 degree. You can say area is 2 times of triangle area EDC, because again this um, according to the triple S rule. Triple S rule, you can say two triangles are congruent. Based on that, you can say area of this entire square is 2 times of area of ADC triangle ADC, area of ADC. Okay, 2 times of ADC means what? Half into base means what? A. Height means what? Because height is A only, because the angle is 90 degree. You can say 2 to get cancelled, this becomes A square. The area is A square. The side of a square is definitely square root of area according to the Pythagoras theorem. Again here AC square is equal to what? AD square plus of DC square, isn't it? Yes, AD square means A square plus of A square. I'm sorry, this one is diagonal, I'm telling you. Okay, diagonal, I'm telling you. Okay, then this one is definitely this becomes 2a square. This becomes AC is equal to square root 2 into a. See, the diagonal is square root 2 into area is a square. Okay, I will agree. Side of a square, because if you square root it, you can get a side, isn't it? Side of a square is square root of area. Okay, then area of square again can be written as this one's area of a square is can be written as diagonal. You can get AC is equal to square root 2a. Okay, if you square it AC square and divide by 2, which is equal to 2a square by 2, that becomes a square. Therefore the square of diagonal square divided by 2 is equal to area of the square. Okay, this is one thing all about the square, because once if you find out the AC, that is diagonal is equal to given by square root 2 into a, isn't it? Once if you square the diagonal, that becomes AC square is equal to 2a square. If you divide it by 2, you can get a square. Okay, therefore I can say the area of square is equal to diagonal square divided by 2. Okay, this is all about the square. The next one is, if you coming to the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram very simple. Again, if you consider a parallelogram like ABCD, isn't it? ABCD, you know that AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC, and this is common side. Okay, by triple S rule, side rule, I can say triangle ABD is congruent to BCD, triangle BCD. Therefore, I can say the area of this parallelogram, is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ABD. Okay, this is equal to 2 into half into base means what? Again, base into height. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. Ultimately, we can get base into height. Therefore, the area of parallelogram is base into height. Then this base of parallelogram divided by if you it comes here. Okay, base is equal to area divided by height. Height of the parallelogram, again you can say area divided by base. The perimeter is equal to 2 times of sum of two adjacent sides. These are the things in parallelogram. Because why? Very simple, 2 times of sum of two adjacent sides. Because opposite sides are equal, therefore perimeter is equal to this one. The next one is rhombus. In a rhombus, let me take this D1 and D2 are the lengths of diagonals of the rhombus. I want to find out, because this one is what, D1, and this side I can say AC is equal to D1 and BD is equal to D2. Okay, let me take the side AD. I can say DC is equal to BC is equal to AB is equal to A. Now what we can do in order to find out this side, I will take triangle ABD. ABD is congruent to triangle BCD. Why? Because this BD is common side, okay, for the both the triangle, and all the sides we are going to equal by triple S rule. The side rule, this becomes, because I can say AD is equal to DC and AB is equal to BC and DB is common side, okay, common side. By triple S rule, these two triangles are congruent. Once congruent, what happens? These two triangles are congruent, okay. Now what I can do is that I want to find out A, okay, area of, I can say area. I want to find area can be written as 2 times of triangle ABD. Area of, can I say like that, triangle ABD, because triangle, sorry, I can say once the two triangles are congruent, the area of this entire rhombus is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ABD, okay, area of triangle, this one is triangle ABD, okay. This becomes 2 times of area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base. Base means what? BD. Height means what? Height is D1 by 2. D1 by 2. Why? Because this one is, in a rhombus, the diagonals intersected right angles, isn't it? And as also rhombus is also parallelogram, and diagonals are bisect each other. This height, I can say, if we call this one as AO, is D1 by D2, because AC is equal to D1. Therefore, I can say AO is equal to D1 by D2, and to base is BD is D2. Okay. Therefore, I can say this can be written as 2 into 1 by 2. BD means what? D1 into D2. Sorry, BD means D2. BD means D2 here, because BD is D2 here, and to D1 by 2. These two get cancelled, equal to D1 into D2 by 2. Therefore, I can say area is like this. The area of the parallelogram is half into D1 by D2. Now I want to find out the side. Is very simple. This one is here AO is what? AO is d1 by 2, DO is d2 by 2. Okay, then I can say once AO is equal to d1 by d2, I can say A, because this diagonals intersect by right angle, the triangle, consider triangle AOD is a right angle, right angle triangle. Therefore I can say AD square is equal to AO square plus of OD square. This becomes d1 square by 2 d2 square d2 by 2 square. Okay, now this can be done as I can say, where I should write here, I will just a minute, I will remove these things. Now this AD is equal to d1 d, okay, sorry, d1 square by 4 plus d2 square by 4. Okay, I will take 1 by 4 as a common. This becomes d1 square by plus of d2 square. Okay, this becomes AD square. I can say AD is equal to half into square root of d1 square plus of d2 square. Okay, very simply we can get, that is AD means what? A side is given by this form. Okay, then perimeter, definitely this becomes 4 into A, this side is A, means A is what? Again half into this one. Okay, 4A is equal to 4 into A means what? Half into d1 square plus of d2 square. This one is 2 times of, this becomes 2 times of d1 square plus of d2 square. This is all about the rhombus. The next one is, next topic is about the area of triangle. Okay, very simple. I already told you the area of triangle is half into base into height, isn't it? Now if you suppose in a triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, means all the sides are equal, what happens in that side? In that case, if we take a triangle here, this is A and this is A. Okay, here once if I draw a perpendicular BC from to AB, what happens in that case? This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Okay, now we know that the angles opposite to the equal sides, these angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Nodi, we know that the angles opposite to the equal side equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Okay, this angle and this angles are equal. Therefore, I can say in a triangle, in a triangle ABC, and I can say AO, B, ABO and triangle BOC. Okay, this CO is common side. I can say CO is that by angle side. The angle side. Angle side. Angle side rule. We can say mm, angles opposite to the okay. By angle side rule, the triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. We know that by angle side rule also this angle and this angle are equal because they are 90 degree. This angle and this angle are equal. They are because angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. By angle side rule, angle side rule, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, I can say AO is equal to BO, that is equal to A by 2. Okay, now I know this side and this side. Then we can easily find out the area. And this CO we can easily find because this is the height we want to find out. Height, you can say, we know that in a triangle, you can say, okay, wait a minute. Triangle AOC because I can say right AC square is equal to CO square plus of AO square. CO square we don't know, we need to find out AO square is A by 2 because this entire length is A means this is half of this by 2. Okay, A by 2 whole square. This is AC square means what? A square. CO square plus A square by 4. CO square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. This becomes 3A square by 4. Finally, I can say CO square is equal to 3A square by 4. Means what? CO is equal to square root 3 by 2 A. This is how we can find out the height. Once I find out the height, we can easily find out the area. Okay. Area is how can we calculate? Very simple. The area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is equal to what? Base means half into base means what? AB into height. Height means again CO. Half into base is again A. Height means square root 3 by 2 into A. Ultimately what we get? This we get square root 3 by I will write here. I will write here. Ultimately you can get this one is equal to square root 3 by 4 into A square. This is the area you can get if the triangle is equilateral. Okay, this is all about the These are things we need to understand.